What's up? Today I'm going to be making full send PF flyers, so let's just get right into it. So I just got these pins. I have the full color set, if that wants to focus. I have the full color set coming in right now, but I just bought these at a local store and I was wanting to see how they work, so I'm going to try them out for this custom. So let's start painting now. Also, I cut out a stencil. So, I'm gonna place it onto the shoe, and from there I pretty much just draw around it. So, this is gonna be my first time trying with these pins, so I'm excited. Let's see. So I'm this far, and you know, these pins, they do good, but they don't really make it as white, you know, as just normal paint. So what I'm gonna do is do another layer with paint, and then from there I'll see what else I'll do. Okay, so this is what it looks like with one layer of the marker and then one layer of the paint. The client wants me to do some like dripping, so what I'm gonna do is add the drip right now, and then I'll probably have to add about three coats or so it'll be fully white. So now that it has drip on it, I gotta dry it off with a heat gun and then go for the third layer, and then for the drip area, it will be the second layer. I decided I'm gonna paint the letters on the back as well. I think that'll give it a nice little touch. This commission, there wasn't much going on, so I just want to add a little bit more than what they asked, you know, so it gives it a standout look. So using the marker for that, I actually really liked it. This marker worked out perfectly. I think I'll have to do one more layer, but I mean, super detailed, super fine. Let's see if that could focus. There you go. So I really like how this pen is working out. I might do the square as well, I don't know yet, but I'm gonna dry this off and then see how it turns out. After a second layer, it turned out great, so this pen works out pretty awesome. Not too much going on. Just not touch that and ruin it. But yeah, there you go. Boom, 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 boom. I'm just finishing up the editing right now, but thanks for watching this video. I recorded a video on this earlier, but of course my mic wasn't on. But thanks for making it this far. Make sure to subscribe, like, and check out all my other videos. Thank you.